Presenting Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. This tab comes in 4 color variants of Mystic Black, Mystic Green, Mystic Pink and Mystic Silver. The tab has 4GB RAM, 64GB internal memory which is expandable up to 1TB. This Samsung tab has 12.4-inch vibrant display with 2560 by 1600 pixels resolution, cinematic viewing experience in 16:10 screen ratio to give you an immersive experience. The tab features 8-megapixel primary camera and 5-megapixel front-facing camera. Powered by high-performing Snapdragon 778G chipset, this tab ensures to give you the best in-class multimedia experience. The 10,090 mAh battery provides up to 13 hours of video playback. The box includes S7 tab, travel adapter, data cable, ejection pin, QSG and S Pen. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.